Welcome to Section 2 of the Go Production Deployments video course. In this section, we're going to learn how to perform a standalone deployment of the GopherFace web application to the Linode cloud. The most amazing capability of a Go standalone deployment is that we don't need to install the Go runtime on the target system, since the application is a statically compiled binary executable. In the first video, I will show you how to cross-compile a Go application. In the second video, I will show you how to prepare the GopherFace deployment bundle. In the third video, I will show you how to deploy the GopherFace deployment bundle. In the fourth video, I will show you how to run GopherFace in the Linode cloud. And finally, in the fifth video, I will show you how to set up the GopherFace web application as a system service. In this video, I will show you how to cross-compile a Go application. In this video, we will cover the following topics: specifying the target operating system, specifying the target architecture, verifying the cross-compilation. Let's open up the gopherface.go source file found in the GopherFace directory. Before we get started with cross-compiling, we need to make the following two changes to the GopherFace web application so that it can be run behind the Nginx reverse proxy. The first change involves changing the web server port constant to 8080. The GopherFace web application will now be running over HTTP and not HTTPS, since Nginx will be running HTTPS for us. The second change involves using the HTTP package's listen and serve function instead of listen and serve TLS. We use the listen and serve function since the web application will be running over HTTP. Using the go build command, we can actually build binaries for different target operating systems, a technique that's known as cross-compiling. For example, on my Mac machine, I can actually build a 64-bit Linux binary that we can push out to the standalone production server running Ubuntu Linux. Prior to building our binary, we specify the target operating system that we want to build to by setting the GOOS environment variable. By setting the GOOS environment variable to Linux, we have specified that we wish to generate a binary file for Linux. In order to specify that we want the binary to be a 64-bit binary, we set the GoArch environment variable to specify the target architecture. By setting the GoArch variable to AMD64, we have specified that we want a 64-bit binary. For the examples in this section, we have set the GopherFace app root to the following. Let's create a builds directory within our GopherFace folder by issuing the mkdir command. This directory will serve as the depot containing GopherFace binary executables for various operating systems. For the purpose of this video course, we'll only consider building a 64-bit Linux binary, but in the future, we can accommodate builds for other operating systems as well, such as Windows, inside this directory. We issue the go build command and provide the -o argument to specify where the produced binary file should reside. We have instructed that the produced 64-bit Linux binary should be created in the GopherFace approot/builds folder, and that the name of the executable will be GopherFace-Linux64. You can verify that the produced binary is a Linux binary by issuing the file command. From the result, we can see that the go build command has produced a 64-bit LSB, Linux Standard Base, executable. If you are interested in building Go binaries for other operating systems besides Linux, This link will provide you with a full list of all possible GOOS and GoArch values. In this video, I showed you how to cross-compile a Go application